Apple is reportedly planning to increase the display size on the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max after 4 years, and reactions are mixed. Currently, the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max have display sizes of 6.1 inches and 6.7 inches, respectively. The rumored increase to 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches for the iPhone 16 Pro models may make this year's models feel too large for some users. However, the actual user experience might be different from initial concerns. Apple could enlarge the screens without making the phones unwieldy, as indicated by photos of the iPhone 16 Pro Max shared by leaker Majin Buu. In the 3 photos posted by the tipster, the iPhone 16 Pro Max dummy is shown next to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The upcoming model does appear larger, but not excessively so. Despite a rumored increase in width, thickness, and height, Apple's border reduction structure, BRS technology for thinner bezels, might help ensure the phone's overall size doesn't significantly increase. The leaked images also suggest that the camera on the iPhone 16 Pro Max will be larger than on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The new model is expected to feature a 1/1 14-inch sensor, which would capture more light compared to the current 1/1 28-inch sensor, potentially making the iPhone 16 Pro Max one of the best camera phones of 2024. However, the larger camera module might affect the phone's handling. Additionally, a new capture button aimed at photographers is visible in the photos. Overall, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max looks largely similar to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the larger size and bigger camera module may impact its manageability. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Peace out.